Welcome to today's Maitri Milan session. We'll start with 3 rounds of Omkara. Sit erect, close your eyes, inhale deeply. Opening prayer. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahano Bhunattu Saha Viryam Karavavahe Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma Vishavahe. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Yoga Ganpati Mula Mantra. Om Ham Sangam Bhagavate Nitya Yoga Yuktaya Sachidananda Rupine Vinayakaya Namaha. Dakshinamurti Guru Stotram. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavat Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha.
Namaste everyone, Suprabhatam. So some people who went to sports day last week may not know the update that we have started memorizing Shloka Sangraha, Jnana Yoga Shloka Sangraha we have started. Dhyana Shloka we had done. Today we are starting with the first Shloka. Next slide. Atha Shrimad Bhagavad Gitasu ज्ञान योग श्लोक संग्रहः अर्जुन उवाच. Now in the shloka I will read one quarter. You have to see it once and chant. Then with eyes closed you have to repeat the same quarter for 5 times. So I'll be looking at you. Your eyes should be closed. Don't see the screen. Okay? We'll start. Aho bata mahat papam. Eyes closed. Aho bata mahat papam. Next. कर्तुं व्यवसिता वयम्. Eyes closed. कर्तुं व्यवसिता वयम्. Now entire line together with me once, then without seeing. Together. Aho bata mahat papam kartum vyavasita vayam. Eyes closed. Aho bata mahat papam kartum vyavasita vayam. Aho bata mahat papam kartum vyavasita vayam. Aho kartum सुखलोभेन eyes closed यद्राज्यसुखलोभेन हन्तुं स्वजनमुद्यताः eyes closed हन्तुं स्वजनमुद्यताः second line together यद्राज्यसुखलोभेन हन्तुं स्वजनमुद्यताः eyes closed यद्राज्यसुखलोभेन हन्तुं स्वजनमुद्यताः हन्तुं हन्तुं Now entire shloka we'll chant together once. Aho batamahat papam kartum vyavasita vayam yadrajya sukhalobhena hantum swajanamudhyata. Eyes closed. Aho batamahat papam kartum vyavasita vayam यद्राज्यसुखलोभेन हन्तुं स्वजनमुद्यताः अहो गतमहत्पापं कर्तुं व्यवसिता वयं यद्राज्यसुखलोभेन हन्तुं स्वजनमुद्यताः अहो कर्तुं व्यवसिता वयं यद्राज्यसुखलोभेन हन्तुं स्वजनमुद्यताः अहो गतमहत्पापं कर्तुं व्यवसिता वयं यद्राज्यसुखलोभेन हन्तुं अहो गतमहत्पापं कर्तुं व्यवसिता वयं यद्राज्यसुखलोभेन हन्तुं स्वजनमुद्यताः. Excellent, very good. One more shloka we will do. Shri Bhagavanuvacha Api chedasi papebhyah eyes closed api chedasi papebhyah Okay, next one sarvebhyah papa krittamah. So while chanting there will be little difference in the sound. It will be sarvebhyah as if you are saying F. Sarvebhyah papa krittamah. Eyes closed. Sarvebhyah papa krittamah.
सर्वे
together. Api chedasi papebhyah sarvebhyah papakritamah. Eyes closed. Api chedasi papebhyah sarvebhyah papakritamah. 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 Sarvam jnanaplavenaiva sarvam jnanaplavenaiva sarvam jnanaplavenaiva sarvam jnanaplavenaiva sarvam jnanaplavenaiva sarvam jnanaplavenaiva. Vrijinam santarishyasi Vrijinam santarishyasi. Closed. Vrijinam santarishyasi Vrijinam santarishyasi Vrijinam santarishyasi Vrijinam santarishyasi Vrijinam santarishyasi. Second line together. Sarvam jnanaplavenaiva Vrijinam santarishyasi. Eyes closed. Sarvam jnanaplavenaiva Vrijinam santarishyasi Sarvam jnanaplavenaiva Vrijinam santarishyasi Sarvam jnanaplavenaiva Vrijinam santarishyasi Sarvam jnanaplavenaiva Vrijinam santarishyasi Sarvam jnanaplavenaiva Vrijinam santarishyasi. Api chedasi papebhyah sarvebhyah papakritamah sarvam jnanaplavenaiva Vrijinam santarishyasi. Api chedasi papebhyah sarvebhyah papakritamah sarvam jnanaplavenaiva Vrijinam santarishyasi. Api chedasi papebhyah sarvebhyah papakritamah sarvam jnanaplavenaiva Vrijinam santarishyasi. Api chedasi papebhyah sarvebhyah papakritamah sarvam jnanaplavenaiva Vrijinam santarishyasi. Api chedasi papebhyah sarvebhyah papakritamah sarvam jnanaplavenaiva Vrijinam santarishyasi. Api chedasi papebhyah sarvebhyah papakritamah sarvam jnanaplavenaiva Vrijinam santarishyasi. Excellent. The PPT will be shared with you throughout the day. Only these two shlokas, whenever possible, revise in the mind. Thank you.
We will briefly see the meaning of these two shlokas, because this is Jnana Yoga. We cannot merely chant and go. We should also get the Jnana or the meaning of this also. So, first shloka please. Ahobata mahat papam. That is the first shloka. See, the very purpose of this shloka sangraha is compassion. In a sense that there are huge texts that are there. Bhagavad Gita is a huge text with how many shlokas? 700 shlokas. It's not very huge when compared to Yoga Vasishtha, which has 29,000 shlokas. So, from that perspective, it is a smaller text only. But still, if 700 shlokas we are unable to memorize, read, it is quite possible. You have seen many people on this very stage memorizing all those 700. But if not 700, at least a selection of a few shlokas we should be aware. As you have entered the portals of Prashanti Kutiram, before leaving, at least this collection should stay with you with that very important intention. Guruji and all the elders have collected set of shlokas on Jnana Yoga, Karma Yoga, Bhakti Yoga and Raja Yoga. So the primary yoga, important yoga, the ultimate yoga is Jnana Yoga, the yoga of knowledge. So every other shloka sangraha, set of shlokas, I think each of the collection of the shloka has 18 verses selected on the concept of karma, bhakti, jnana and dhyana. So the first one, the ultimate one is jnana, and everything commences with the question of whom? Arjuna. So this also commences with the question, ahobata mahat papam kartum vyavasita vayam. So there is a long list of arguments that Arjuna gives that why I will not fight. He feels now in this shloka which has been selected that I feel that we are going to commit a great sin by getting into this war. Actually, this itself is a delusion of Arjuna, because before getting into the war, they have done sama, dana, bheda. Means all the approaches, all the nitis, all the strategies to avoid the war has been done. And after having all that is done, the final path that is left is danda. So only when all the three other things have been resorted to and the final thing remains, they have taken up danda. But still he feels that no, we are committing sin. Krishna very well knows that there is no papa in doing swadharma, etc. So he says, Arjuna still voices his view. There is a democracy in our country since very, very long time. So hence everyone has a right to voice one's view. So hence he says that I think we are going to commit the great sin by fighting this war. So because just out of greed, lobhena, just for the greed of attaining the comfort of the kingdom, we are ready to kill our own kinsmen. That's what he says. Or Krishna says that okay, next shloka. So Krishna says, don't worry. Even if you consider that you are the greatest among the sinners, apichedasi papebhyaha sarvebhyaha papakrit tamaha. Tamaha is a superlative degree. Tara, comparative, superlative degree, you know. Good, better, best. So, if you consider yourself among the greatest among the sinners, don't worry. Sarvam jnana plavenaiva. That is the jnana that I am going to describe to you. That is the boat. Plava. Plava means boat. If you get on to the boat of jnana that I am going to describe, vrijinam santarishyati. Vrijina means papam. So you will cross over the sin, whichever you perceive to kind of commit, even that sin you will cross over, like getting onto a boat and cross, if you try to understand the Jnana Yoga. What is the Jnana? Which knowledge? Computer knowledge? AI knowledge? No. It is the knowledge about the Atman, which is going to continue in the rest of the shlokas.
Sarve bhavantu sukhinaha सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति